Ever feel like turning on your full-size oven just to toast a few slices of bread or reheat leftovers is more trouble than it's worth? It takes longer to preheat, uses more energy, and feels like overkill for simple meals. If that sounds familiar, this compact toaster oven might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven and Pizza Maker, a compact appliance designed for students, small families, apartment dwellers, RV owners, and anyone who wants a quicker, simpler way to cook everyday meals. It promises to toast, bake, and broil without taking over your countertop, making it a practical addition to smaller kitchens. If you're considering adding a countertop oven to your home, this one definitely deserves a closer look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its compact stainless steel design. It has a clean, modern appearance that blends nicely with most kitchens without looking bulky or outdated. Even though it's relatively small, the interior is thoughtfully designed to fit 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, which covers many everyday cooking needs. The controls are refreshingly straightforward, with easy-to-read dials instead of digital menus or confusing presets. If you've ever struggled with overly complicated kitchen appliances, you'll probably appreciate how intuitive this oven feels from the very first use. The included bake pan, oven rack, and removable crumb tray also make it feel like a complete package rather than something that requires extra purchases. Everything fits securely, and while it's not a premium commercial-grade appliance, the overall construction feels solid enough for regular household use. The stainless steel exterior wipes clean easily, and the removable crumb tray helps keep maintenance simple after everyday cooking sessions. In real-world use, this toaster oven performs exactly where most people need it to. Toast comes out evenly browned. Frozen snacks cook noticeably faster than they would in a conventional oven, and reheating leftovers is much quicker without making the kitchen feel like a sauna. The baking function works well for small pizzas, garlic bread, cookies, and quick meals, while the broil setting is useful for melting cheese or giving food a crispy finish. One feature that stands out is how quickly it gets to work. Because the cooking chamber is much smaller than a traditional oven, there's very little waiting around for preheating. That translates into faster meals during busy mornings, quick lunches while working from home, or easy weeknight dinners after a long day. Hamilton Beach also claims significant energy savings compared to using a conventional oven, and for smaller meals, that certainly makes sense. Noise is practically a non-issue since there are no loud fans constantly running. The operation is quiet, making it comfortable to use early in the morning or late at night without disturbing the rest of the household. Cleanup is equally straightforward. Once everything cools down, the crumb tray slides out easily, and the included accessories clean up without much effort. Of course, no product is perfect. The compact size is one of its biggest strengths, but it also creates its biggest limitation. If you're regularly cooking for 4 or more people, roasting large cuts of meat, or preparing multiple dishes at once, you'll likely outgrow this oven pretty quickly. The manual timer is simple and reliable, but if you're looking for digital programming, convection cooking, or smart features, you'll need to spend considerably more on a higher-end model. Compared with other toaster ovens in this price range from brands like Black Plus Decker or Elite Gourmet, the Hamilton Beach model stands out because of its balance of simplicity, dependable performance, and compact footprint. Some competing models include extra cooking modes or digital displays, but many users simply want an appliance that heats quickly, cooks evenly, and doesn't require reading a thick instruction manual. In that respect, this toaster oven delivers excellent value for everyday cooking. If this review helped you decide whether this toaster oven is the right fit for your kitchen, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews like this. And if you're thinking about picking one up, check out the link in the description. If it solves the everyday cooking problems we've talked about today, it's definitely worth taking a closer look before your next kitchen upgrade.